Okay, hi guys, so we here with the pellet gun. We shot a couple of stuff. We shot 4 doves here. We got 2 Swanson Franklin, red Swanson Franklin, and then 1 guinea fowl with the pellet gun, the air rifle, the Aretemis m11. Echard shot a guinea fowl and 2 Swanson Franklin pheasants, and I shot the 4 doves. We'll show you the 4 doves right now. Hope you like that one. Now here comes the pheasants. Okay. It's a Swanson Franklin. Hope you like that one. And here comes the guinea fowl. Okay guys, so we're gonna leave the gun now a little bit alone, and we're gonna take our bows. That is right here, you can see here, here's our bows there. We're gonna take that a little bit and we're gonna go shoot some doves and pheasants, whatever we see. So let's go. Hi guys, sorry for my hair, it looks awful. We're just literally sitting here with a caller with his phone calling in the guinea fowl. Sorry for my head, it's awful. I had a hat on a crawl, we quite high. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here, call them in and wait for them. We hope you like this video. I'm gonna get some quiet montages and play it right now. Okay guys, so it was a very successful day. We shot a lot of stuff and we missed a lot of stuff. We missed quite a lot with the bows. We only got 2 hits, but we didn't get fast enough on camera. But that's part of bow hunting. It's a struggle. It's fun. It's hard. It's fair. Guys, so and we got a lot of stuff with the pellet gun that we could show you and share with you. That we're very thankful that we have audience to share this with, and I want to say thank you for Cliff Milton, so that we could hunt on his farm. Very well planned hunt. Um, we got a lot of stuff, and we're very thankful that we could share it with you. And we hope you'll like our content further on. Please follow us on Instagram. Our Instagrams is down below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Subscribe, like, bell notification. Bye.